Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Movoto app is and how it's positioned. Movoto is described on official App Store listings as a real estate platform that helps users search for homes, explore listings, and connect with agents throughout the buying or selling process. According to official descriptions, the app allows users to browse homes for sale using advanced filters such as price, location, days on market, and HOA fees. It is also stated that users can view open houses, save listings, and receive updates on properties that match their preferences. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app is positioned in the real estate and home search category, focusing on combining property discovery with agent support and market insights. Official descriptions indicate that users can track home value and equity over time, along with receiving maintenance suggestions and neighborhood updates. It is also described as offering interactive maps that show nearby schools, amenities, and points of interest to help evaluate different areas. The platform includes tools to connect users with vetted real estate agents who can guide them through the buying or selling process. Some official materials mention real-time notifications for new listings or price changes, which may help users stay updated during their search. The app may also provide financial tools such as affordability estimates or mortgage-related insights, although exact availability can vary. This app may be useful for users who want a combination of home search tools, market insights, and agent connections in one platform. For users interested in tracking listings, exploring neighborhoods, and managing their home search digitally, this could be an option. It is important to note that listing accuracy and availability can depend on data sources, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Some aspects such as feature consistency across regions or how comprehensive the listing database is compared to other platforms are not fully detailed. Overall, based on official sources, the app is positioned as a real estate search and guidance tool rather than a direct property marketplace or brokerage replacement. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.